Ni idon jingkermen ya kajing ya simbeta jompi. Kilong kemi lan kikente. Ha kabya trade nak betak business. Lemba SSG Baru Punjuk Lemba KVEC.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Ukonrat Ke Sangma rengkat berusembut Menteri Rangba ubak Presiden Tinsong haka nyau terik unailur arjar arpuar kila Hiar hi shamau rengkeneng banit Plie ya ke CHC Bathymmai batru ya ke SSG Mela haka tikatan. Ladon nangru ahakani kesengi na dua MLA kathan ba penyat sing sim nang ta ki he sorkar bat ki doktor na lor ke DC East Khasihers bat kiwe. Hakani kesengi Menteri Rangba ulah kularu balapha penbahano ya kamadan maurin keneng nang ta ban ajing krishan ya kamaurin keneng college bat ru nak benta ki multi facility center hapok kani kathan.
A lot of people don't understand why we called it mother. They thought because of pregnancy and because of the birth and because it's mothers related. That's why we're calling it mother program. But the mother program was much broader than only the pregnancy part or the birth part. The mother program was linked to overall health infrastructure, was linked to overall education, was linked to rural empowerment of women. And that is why in today's program, if you see the transit home is meant to give shelter and care to mothers who are living in very far off locations and cannot reach the PHC and CHC on time to give birth. And hence they are brought to these shelter homes, given the full care, given the food, the entire medical attention that they require, so that when the time comes to give birth, they are there in the institution or under proper medical care. And therefore this transit home concept, today we have 180 transit homes throughout the state. And today they are giving service and giving care to the most needy mothers and the women in our society and in our state who live in very far-flung areas. The upgradation of the PHC to the CHC is also meant to give the necessary medical manpower, the necessary facilities to upgrade the overall health services to be given to the people, not only of Monakaneng area but throughout the state, where almost close to 300 crores is being invested to uplift the overall health infrastructure of the facilities in different parts of the state.
SSG bidon la se khatar khat sanwot to sia multiply la pili kan lo dela ebon ma batentang kata kali ke SSG movement ke bahadin bengela yalam je ke sorkar nadu ka arah Jakarta hadu ka deka klipmat mentah menai ba penia yong tangkum ba khendiat haja peli ya ke before bidon mentah bila mundur hamni to kejela jungi don South Home ar hajar teli SSG bakini SSG ka kethau bek hik kam tam ya ki kenthe bat ki members ki badon meneu la ong CEO jungi hadu saulak sitek to ya kenli saulak sitek ni ai pi ka to working capital kabagi ong start up capital nanta syuk ni ai kata ka revolving fund lemba jo ki village organization klalong ke jingkerku ka crowd ya ki pai ba nong song jong ke jela Meghalaya jadi korto banlo i ba lemba SSG lemba ki de VEC itu ki jing bela sis pasni Hakadin bak sorkar ka penkelai di guidelines katukan ni bangin ai ka bor ka bakambun syakilong kami dengan dari dan burong sisa nga konsumsi la jongru ki babun ki VEC ki de ki kenthe bro skata bayat urang ba ke jiken kambiang tang susin kilong kami san ayaru ki adai hek ke jingkain gam dekat de ban biang la dam biang klep dia fi ke jela jungi ngan de tu hok fi ha ke ni ka ajar katra hatu mentah ni idon jingkermen ya kajing ya simbeta jompi kilong kemi lan kikete ha kabia trade nak betak business lemba kasih SSG batu punju lemba KVC iyo panket yung sok obatyan jadi mat apoy kapor kibain iban bain menamut wat ke kamsnong rul hak hai kilo kemi leban jenela pan air masnong yang kilo kemi ngamti ke balong